Imagine a tool that can bring virtually any visual concept to life. That's the power of Sora 2, and its applications are about to expand your mind. Step into the realm of video game development, where Sora 2 becomes a creative superpower. Developers can now generate breathtaking in-game environments, from sprawling fantasy worlds to hyper-realistic sci-fi planets, in unprecedented detail and speed. Think complex terrains, dynamic weather systems, and even unique creature designs, all brought to life as visual assets that would have taken weeks or months previously. Beyond entertainment, Sora 2 is revolutionizing professional design, and visualization architects can rapidly prototype building designs, exploring countless stylistic variations and material simulations with ease. This allows for faster iteration, better client communication, and ultimately, more innovative architectural solutions. In the medical field, Sora 2 opens doors to advanced simulations and educational tools. Imagine generating photorealistic anatomical models for surgical training, or visualizing complex biological processes for research. This allows for deeper understanding and more effective learning experiences. Manufacturing and engineering also benefit immensely. Sora 2 can generate realistic simulations of product assembly lines, stress-testing designs, and optimizing workflows without needing physical prototypes. This accelerates development cycles, reduces costs, and improves product quality. The education and marketing sectors are set to be transformed. Educators can create engaging, visually rich lessons that bring history, science, and abstract concepts to life. For students, marketers can craft incredibly compelling advertisements, showcasing products in dynamic and aspirational scenarios that resonate with audiences. From creating immersive virtual reality experiences to generating custom visual effects for films, Sora 2's versatility is its greatest strength. It's not just about generating images. It's about empowering creators across every industry to push the boundaries of what's visually possible, making the complex simple and the imaginative tangible. The potential is limitless.